This video is about top 10 best touring bikes below 5 lakh. First touring bike is KTM 390 Adventure. While the 390 Adventure is designed to handle rough terrains, it is powered by the same 373cc liquid-cooled single-cylinder motor that produces 43.5 PS and 37 Nm of torque. On the naked 390 Duke, the engine works in conjunction with a 6-speed transmission with slipper clutch and a standard quick shifter. Second touring bike is BMW G310 GS. It has 313cc engine. The bike puts out 33.9 PS at 9500 rpm maximum power and 28 Nm at 7500 maximum torque. The third touring bike is Royal Enfield Interceptor 650. The Royal Enfield Interceptor 650 BS6 continues to use the same 647.9cc air-cooled and fuel-injected power plant. BS6 compliant motor is expected to deliver the same 47 PS and 52 Nm power and torque respectively. Fourth touring bike is Royal Enfield Himalayan. Royal Enfield has worked a lot improving refinement of the 411cc single-cylinder engine. The current BS6 power is certainly a lot smoother. The engine produces 24.31 PS and 32 Nm power and torque respectively. Fifth touring bike is Bajaj Dominar 400. The 373.3cc DOHC liquid-cooled single-cylinder motor has its origins in the KTM 390 Duke's power plant. Output figures stand unchanged at 40 PS and 35 Nm. Sixth touring bike is Kawasaki Versys X300. The 296cc liquid-cooled parallel twin motor makes 40 PS at 11,500 rpm power and 25.7 Nm at 10,000 rpm torque. Seventh touring bike is Java 42. BS6 motorcycle is powered by the 293cc liquid-cooled single-cylinder motor as before. It now makes 26.51 PS and 28 Nm power and torque respectively. Eighth touring bike is Royal Enfield Bullet Trials 350 and 500. Royal Enfield has equipped it with some off-road bits to make it proper go-anywhere motorcycle. Bullet Trials 500 has 499cc single-cylinder engine that churns out 27.5 PS of power and 41.3 Nm of torque. Ninth touring bike is Benelli TRK 251. TRK250 on this standard variant comes with an 249cc engine, and its engine produces 25.83 PS at 9250 rpm and 21.2 Nm at 8000 rpm of max power and torque respectively. 10th touring bike is Hero X-Pulse 200. The Hero X-Pulse is a 200cc fuel-injected air-cooled single-cylinder engine that makes 18.4 PS at 8000 rpm and a peak torque of 17.1 Nm at 6500 rpm.